Am I on the first floor? No, on the 22nd! Hello everybody, this is Shanny here in Chongqing, China, which is called 8D city. Today I'm gonna show you the must-visit spots here. Let's go!
Chongqing, a municipality in southwest China, spans 82,000 square kilometers, about the size of Austria, and has a population of 32 million, making it one of the largest cities in the world by both area and population. Known as the Mountain City, Chongqing is built on steep hillsides, creating some fascinating illusions. You might think you are on the first floor, but in reality, you are much higher up, like our first stop, CHONGQING Tower Rooftop Plaza. One of its most famous attractions is the Sky Bridge on the rooftop plaza, which connects two buildings and offers a thrilling view as if it's suspended in midair.
Behind me is the famous Liziba station located on Line 2 in Chongqing. It's an iconic site where a light rail train runs through a residential building. And this is Tony from Chile.
I follow several Chinese influencers in the last maybe 2 years, and they are showing, like all the maybe rural areas about China that now are very popular, and they are showing maybe the most or the least tourist places of China, and I feel more attracted to that kind of content. That's why maybe in the last 2 years Chongqing has appeared more maybe in the media.
That's the reason why you come here.
Yes, that's the reason why I came here. That's the reason why I wanted to see this train, and I wanted to take a picture, of course.
Yes.
And now you're going to learn to teach me how to take the best.
Yes. Oh, the train's coming. Put your hand up. Go across the street and you will see the residential building which the light rail runs through.
Then, take the elevator to the 6th floor, where you'll find a popular bookstore. You can buy books and souvenirs here, but what really attracts visitors is the perfect spot for snapping pictures of the train. After leaving the bookstore, we'll head up to the 8th floor to reach Liziba station. But before we get on the train, let me show you another amazing viewpoint.
Oh my God.
Noise has never been an issue thanks to the noise reduction equipment installed at the station. The sound level of a passing train is reportedly under 60 decibels, no louder than a standard dishwasher. Take the train from Liziba for 5 stops to Linjiangmen Station, then walk about 200 meters to reach Jiefang Bay Pedestrian Street. At its center stands the People's Liberation Monument, built in 1945, symbolizing China's victory in the anti-Japanese War. Today, the area features large shopping malls and a famous snack street, making it a popular spot for both shopping and local cuisine. At night, Hongya Cave is a must-see spot. It's famous for its unique stilted buildings that climb the hillside, which are typical of Chongqing's architecture. With all the lights illuminated, the place feels magical, almost like stepping into a real-life fairy tale. Inside, Hongya Cave is packed with restaurants, cafes, and shops offering local delicacies, souvenirs, and cultural experiences. The location also provides stunning views of the rivers and bridges, making it a must-visit destination for tourists.
Chongqing is such an amazing city and I highly recommend it to travelers from around the world. If you like this video, share, like, and subscribe. This is Shanny, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye!